Have you ever stared at a pile of receipts, dreading the mountain of paperwork translating into expense reports? Asterisk groans from audience. Asterisk been there, done that. But what if there was a way to streamline the process? Enter Expensify, the popular expense management app promising to banish those receipt blues. It boasts features like automatic expense tracking, easy categorization, and even receipt verification. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's the question we're diving into today. Does Expensify actually verify receipts? Let's unpack this and see if Expensify is the hero your expense reports need. Understanding receipt verification. Before dissecting Expensify's verification claims, let's understand what receipt verification even means. Traditionally, companies have a designated finance team that manually reviews receipts for legitimacy. They check things like merchant details. Does the receipt match the vendor you claim the expense from? Date and time. Is the expense within the allowable time frame for your company policy? Amount. Does the receipt amount align with your expense claim? Items purchased. Are the listed items justifiable business expenses based on your company policy? This manual process can be tedious and time-consuming, but it ensures the company isn't reimbursing fraudulent claims. Expensify's take on verification. So, how does Expensify approach this verification process? Here's the key distinction. Expensify doesn't manually verify each receipt like a human finance team would. Instead, it uses a combination of technology to analyze your receipts. This can involve optical character recognition, OCR. This fancy tech basically reads the text on your receipt like a scanner. It extracts details like merchant name, date, amount, and potentially even item descriptions. Cross-referencing with credit card data. If you connect your credit card to Expensify, it can automatically match the expense information on the receipt with the corresponding transaction on your card. Internal fraud detection algorithms. Expensify has built-in algorithms that can flag suspicious spending patterns or inconsistencies that might indicate a fake receipt. Now, this all sounds impressive, but there's a crucial point to remember. Expensify's verification is automated, not foolproof. Here's why. OCR can make mistakes, especially with blurry receipts, bad handwriting, or unusual fonts. The OCR might misread information. This could lead to inaccurate expense categorization or even missed details. Algorithms have limitations. While fraud detection is helpful, it can't catch everything. A cleverly fabricated receipt might slip through the cracks if it appears superficially legitimate. Human oversight is still essential. Ultimately, the responsibility of ensuring expense validity falls on you, the user. Expensify might flag something suspicious, but it's up to you to review and verify the information. So, can you trust Expensify's verification? Expensify verification system is a valuable tool, but it shouldn't replace your own vigilance. Here's how to leverage it effectively. Double-check everything. Don't blindly trust the auto-populated information. Always review the details extracted from your receipts and ensure their accuracy. Understand your company policy. Be clear on what constitutes a valid expense for your company. This helps you identify potential red flags before submitting reports. Use common sense. If a deal seems too good to be true on a receipt, it probably is. Don't submit anything that raises doubts about legitimacy. The takeaway. Expensify's verification features can significantly streamline your expense reporting process, but it's not a magic bullet. It automates tasks and helps identify potential issues, but human oversight is critical. Remember, you're still responsible for ensuring the accuracy and legitimacy of your expense claims. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.